Are you frustrated with the performance of your high lift jack? Does it not have as much lift as it did in its younger years? You might be suffering from high lift jack dysfunction, or HLJD. But don't worry, there's a solution. Welcome to DPV, I'm Josh, and today we're finally gonna fix my high lift jack. This is something that I have been dealing with for far too long. If I can make it work, I will cut to the trip that caused this whole issue. Like 11 years ago at least. So anyway, buried my Grand Cherokee in the mud and got the high lift just filthy on that trip, and it has never worked the same. But we've got a solution right here, the high lift fix it kit. Basically we're just going to be replacing these pins and looks like maybe one bolt, maybe it's this one, and getting this thing back in good working order. So let me grab some tools and we'll start tearing this thing apart. Got this shear safety pin. So we got to pull this guy right here. So that'll be the first thing we pull. Totally forgot to hit record, but got one of them out. And they seem to be directional. So you can kind of see where they were beat in from the factory. It's kind of mushroomed out. And it's not on the other side. You want to go the opposite direction they were pushed in. So like this way, they're way easier this way. So just a hammer and a punch. Oh yeah, I was trying to go the wrong way the first time. And that is so much easier to go the right direction. Imagine that. Sweet. Okay, I want to make sure that these aren't different. Appear to be the same. Put your spring in, drop your climbing pin in. All right, just got to make sure that your spring is in behind your pin. Just like that, so it pushes your climbing pin into the high lift like rail. Put our new shear pin in. Lube. Oh yeah. Just like new. Pretty dang sweet. Let's see if we can go reverse this thing now. Oh yeah. It is a beautiful thing. gotta have a high lift jack. More importantly, you gotta have a high lift jack that works. So if your high lift's giving you issues, I will link that kit down below in the description. You can pick that sucker up, rebuild your high lift, and make it work just like new. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in supporting the channel, we got merch on Teespring. Like my favorite, the Safety Third sweatshirt. Safety's not first, but at least it's on the list. You can shop on Amazon via any of the links down in the description. You can become a Patreon. Link for that in the description below as well. And last but not least, just like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.